So I just finished doing a room tour. If y'all want to know how my room looks like, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start. This is basically like the entrance. So whenever you walk in, this is what you see. And then I'll go in detail of everything that I have in case you are interested in purchasing it. I have my TV. I honestly don't use it. I ended up taking off the cable box because I was just not watching TV. Over here we have a couple decorations. So we have this that I most likely got from Marshall's. I've been having that for the longest before we moved into this house. And I have this little candle thing that sometimes I light up, but low-key I shouldn't because it's dangerous. Right here is my mueble, and it's me. So right here I just basically keep my jeans, and you know, I could show y'all, but it's a little unorganized and I don't want to scare y'all. And then on this end I have this little table. It's really cute. As you can see, it's kind of little, but it adds a lot of like extraness to the room. And right here I just have a couple candles that I got from Target, those 2 candles, and then I have this little LED. I believe it's an LED, I don't know what it is, just a little candle that turns on, and some of my shades, some perfumes. I have more, but these are just like my go-to at the moment. And I have this little thing that I just like pile up with random stuff. Over here is probably like my favorite part of the room. I recently got this lamp. I got 2, this one and the other one for the nightstands, but I got them from Home Goods, the one in Mesquite. And as soon as I saw them, I fell in love because this is what I needed for my room. I've been looking for some candles that just go with the aesthetic of my room, and that's like perfect. And they do get a little dusty, I don't know if you can tell, but it's just, they're just so cute, and it just goes with it. And over here is the most important thing, my bed. So my comforter, I get a lot of questions about that on Instagram, and I got it from, it's a set, so I got it from Marshall's. Yes, so I got this, the comforter from Marshall's, and then the pillows came with it too. So it came with the 2, 3, 4, 5 pillows plus those 2 in the back, the beige ones, and then the white ones, I've been having them. I actually ordered I think the cases, the pillowcases from Amazon, because they have different options, or you can just go to Home Goods and buy the big ones, but they're kind of expensive. And I got this from Aldi. So if you have shopped at Aldi, they have a little home section and you can get little blankets from there. And on this end I have the same lamp. I got a candle, Bath and Body Works, and then that's me whenever I graduated high school. And a couple books that I don't read. I should usually read this one just like every day. It's like really nice to just read it. Some couple quotes on there. And now this lamp, I've been having it for a long time. I don't even know where I got it from, but I'm pretty sure it's from Marshall's a long time ago though. And then this is my jewelry box, and over here I'm pretty sure people can relate, Mexicans, we keep our little baby shoes. Well, my mom keeps them, and she just like puts one in my room and then another pair in my brother's room. This is me and my little family, my little dog. And this right here, I got it from Tuesday Morning. I've been having it as well for a while, maybe like 4 years maybe. It has lasted me for a long time, and I don't plan on changing it just because the mirror furniture is still in. So that's where I got that from. And then over here, I'm still working on this area. My room is slowly coming together, but I kind of just want to change these 2 up and put like a different frame, like something bigger, to just like, as soon as you open the door for my room, you can see, you know, something really pretty here. But yeah, so that's that. And then over here is my vanity mirror. I'm missing a couple of bulbs just because some of them did crack and then they like died or whatever. But over here is where I keep my makeup and my makeup brushes. And I have my own little bathroom right here. I wish I got my face, but I look like trash. Anyways, so this is my whatever. And this is where I keep you know, the essentials. And over here is my closet. So I could show y'all my closet, but it's a little messy, so I'll show y'all another day and whenever it's actually put together really nicely. And that's just how it looks from the front. So pretty. And then this cajon, I actually got it from Aldi. So I keep most of my jackets, like the big bulky stuff, in there, or like summer clothes, depending what the seasons are. These pillows, I got them from Target. And yeah, this carpet is really nice too. And then we have a body mirror where I usually take all my selfies. But yeah, you guys, that is it with my room. It's not that much, honestly. It's just a lot of things I just put together, and my mom helps me a lot. So that's about it, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Honestly, like the main important thing of my room is the bed, like the comforter. And if you're wondering how many pillows I have, you should comment down below. I'll probably cash out you some money if you get it right. Anyways, bye.